Is your roof showing signs of trouble? Catching roof issues early can save you from expensive repairs and potential damage to your home. Start by checking for water stains on your ceilings or walls. These stains are a clear indication that your roof might be leaking and needs immediate attention. Next, inspect your shingles. If you notice any that are cracked, curled, or missing, your roof's protective barrier is compromised, putting your home at risk. A sagging roof is a serious warning sign that shouldn't be ignored. It could indicate structural problems that require professional inspection as soon as possible. Don't forget to examine your gutters. If you find granules from your shingles in your gutters, it's a sign that your roof is deteriorating and may need repair or replacement. Finally, keep an eye on your energy bills. A sudden increase could mean that your roof's insulation is failing, making your home less energy efficient. If you're noticing any of these issues, it's important to act quickly. Roof problems can escalate fast. Book a free roof inspection with RoofWorks today by visiting our website or giving us a call. Our experts will thoroughly assess your roof and provide the solutions you need to keep your home safe and protected.